हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द लिफ्ट टेल्स बाय हाइबॉन। और हमारे आज के एक्सपर्ट गेस्ट हैं आर्किटेक्ट सूरज मित्तल फ्रॉम फ्यूचर कॉन्सेप्ट। Suraj, we welcome you to the show. And Suraj is known for its authentic, original and unique interior designs in his projects, whether it's residential or commercial. So as an interior designer, if we talk about the interior of the lift, how you enhance the aesthetics of the lift?
Keeping in mind the interior concept of the apartment or a villa, whatever we are designing, so the interiors of the lift goes along with that concept only by using some luxurious materials like Italian marble or some backlit marbles, high quality woods. There are a number of other panelings, metal panelings are there, or maybe some designer glasses or something like that. So there are a number of things that we align in our lift interiors, which goes very well with our interiors of the apartment or the villa.
If we talk about lift, security and safety are of paramount importance. So how you ensure safety and security in your designs?
So for sure, जो basic standards है for the safety, that is definitely incorporated with our lifts branch, which we are majorly using in our interiors. Apart from this, some materials like anti-skid flooring, some security systems which are like automated security systems, we can say.
Right.
So those kind of integrations we generally take care in our lifts so that it is comparatively more safety oriented.
If we talk about aesthetically pleasing designs and functionality, or Indian brands की अगर हम बात करें, so are Indian brands able to incorporate and integrate these two elements in their designs?
Yeah, for sure. I believe to some extent in a better way possible, and that too in a budgeted manner in terms of other international brands that we compare to. And so we have recently used Hybon's lift also in few of our projects, and we are pretty aligned with our vision of safety, design, the integration of both the things in their lift space.
So how you address your clients' queries when it comes to, they want to see how actually final lift will look. So how you address this question?
So the first step which we take is by creating our 3D visualizations, which help them to understand that how exactly it is going to look like. But definitely it's a virtual way to show it. Better than this, that we have few showrooms like Hybon. So they have their displays of lifts and everything. So for our clients, it is much easier for them to understand what exactly material and finishes are there.
Thank you so much, Architect Suraj, for such an insightful information on lift and designs. And for more information, stay tuned.